There are millions of defective Takata airbags on the road that need repair. So why are some airbags causing deaths and injuries in crashes? The problem is with a chemical inside the airbag that works to inflate the airbag during a crash. In a crash, a recalled Takata airbag can explode, sending sharp metal fragments flying at 200 miles per hour. This can cause serious injury or even death. The greatest risk is in older vehicles, especially vehicles driven in hot, humid areas. So how can you find out if your vehicle has a recalled airbag? Download the Safer Car app to get notified of vehicle safety recalls. Or visit nhtsa.gov/recalls and enter your vehicle identification number, known as the VIN, and sign up for recall alerts. If you have a recall, contact your local dealer to get it fixed for free. Make sure the airbag in your vehicle is there to save your life, not take it. At NHTSA, we believe safe cars save lives. Check for recalls now on the Safer Car app or at nhtsa.gov/recalls.